my lovely. I'm here today. I restored my curly wig, guys. I didn't know when I bought this wig, probably about, I don't know when I bought it. Could be like last summer or last fall or something like that. But when I bought it, I didn't know you can wet it and restore it. I put conditioner and water in a spray bottle and sprayed it. And this is what I got, guys. It looks so pretty. It looks even better to me when I first bought it. And look how long it is when I wet it. It wasn't this long until I conditioned it with the water and conditioner. It was like up here. Look at it. It's on my shoulders now. Guys, go over to my TikTok. Fun with Me Makeup TikTok. I have a TikTok and my books have a TikTok as well. Look. Margaret Marshall Children Books TikTok as well. Look how long it is. When I didn't realize how long it was. Oh, I'm loving it. Even I don't fall in love with it again. Even more. I enjoy this hair because it's easy to maintain. Yes, I got my CC earrings on. I got them tucked the right way. I think so. Yeah, it's just so pretty. Comment below, guys, if you like this color and then you like this style. It's more of a, I say it's more of a, it's not nappy, but it's bushy. You can get that bushy look. I believe if I get a pick and pick it probably more, I probably can get it to come out like this. It would literally probably come out like this. But for now, I'm liking this. I like this wig right here. I forgot the name of the wig. It's been so long. I don't keep packages. No, I don't. I'm sorry. But I forgot the name of it. I had a black one similar to this. I don't know why I got rid of it. I don't know. It did the same thing. It will do the same thing when I do it. I don't know why I got rid of the black one. Oh my gosh. Now I gotta go buy another one. Yes, I gotta literally go buy another one. Oh my gosh. Let me let you guys see the back. See how long the back is. You see how long the back is? I'm loving this. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Loving it. Yes, I do. You guys are up in the bathroom cabinet. That's why I have to barely get on my toes. Hold on a minute, I'm gonna let the bathroom window open. There's some air in here. I need some air up 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 in here. Y'all know I love this hair. You can tell, can't you? I need some air up in here. 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 Guys, I'm loving this hair. Comment below if you like this hair and the color. I'm gonna go get black too. Ooh, if I can find this hair, this style in burgundy, like that burgundy reddish color. Ooh, I like this hair. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm gonna go online and look and see can I find the color I want. Yes, so I'm gonna go online. Hopefully I can find the color I want. Like this. This is the best hair, besides, you know, the hair we pay money for. This is the best synthetic hair. I like this style of hair. I like the curls because what you can do with it. Once wetting it, it stretches it out. You can give you that length, and if you don't want it to stretch out, just don't wet it for a while, and it'll go back up to like here. It'll go back up to like here. But when I conditioned it, because it was getting real frizzy, I said, wait a minute, let me try to condition in water. The same way I treat the black, long, it's human hair though. It's Wet and Wavy, the one that I showed you guys the other day. The one that I treat that with conditioner and water too. And I said, let me try it on this hair, even though it's synthetic. And it looks fine. Make it look even better. Yes, I'm loving this. Comment below, guys, what you think. Thumbnail. Let's do one of these. Wait. Can't get it. Can't get it. What if I turn around and come back? I'll find out which thumbnail I'm gonna use. You guys will know. You will know. But guys, if you first start watching this video been going on for like 6 minutes now, 7 minutes now. But don't forget to subscribe, definitely if you're new to the channel. Hit that notification bell, the dark one, because it'll notify you every time I do what? Upload a video. Upload a video. So guys, go ahead and share. This is what we do in this 2022. Share the video, share the video. Guys, I got a song I'm bringing out. Yes, it's about this YouTube life. Yes, it's a song. Like I told you guys, 2022 is my year. My year. My year. Like I said, guys, I have a store on Etsy. I have a store called Kosashi. I'm gonna write it across the screen. Kosashi I. It's Kossii, capital I, Wear. W-E-A-R. Yes, guys, I got some nice things on there. Go check it out. Yes. It got me feeling myself. But ladies, you know how that is. Men too. You look good, you feel good. That's right. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. Thumbnail. I think I got one. I think I got that thumbnail. But yes, guys, I just wanted to stop in. My video going up late today, but I just wanted to stop in to let you guys check out this hair. Okay, lovelies. Guys, thanks for watching. Until next time. Until next time, bye, my lovies and makeup babes. Lovies, no, I'm gonna keep you guys with lovies. It's 2022. Yes, 2022. I should have recorded New Year's. Bringing in the New Year's. We were drinking wine and having tacos. Yeah, I should have recorded it. I don't know what I was thinking, guys. Actually, I had fell asleep. But I woke up before New Year's. I was so tired. Because I've been getting up real early. I've been getting up like 6 or 7 in the morning. I have so much to do during the day, so I have to get up early than normal. Than I would normally get up. So this is 2022 and we're not laying around sleeping. Early birds get the worm, okay? Not 12 o'clock. They're already gone. Okay, so yes. I've been getting up early, so I go to bed early now. I go to bed around 10, sometimes 9 if I'm sleepy. And I'll be up early. But, yes guys. I'm going to do a video about this guy I've been dating on, I've been dating him for, well, we've been talking, I ain't gonna say dating. We've been talking. I've been knowing him for years, though. I've been knowing him for, I'll say almost 12 years. We've been talking online. He's from Ghana, but he's not in Ghana right now. He moved from Ghana to Bahinian. He's in Bahinian. He's like riding a plane. He's 45 minutes away from Dubai. He even went over to Dubai. He's gonna come over. Yes, he's gonna come over. Tall, black, chocolate gentleman. We're gonna do a story time on him. Yes, ma'am. Until next time. Bye, my lovies. Bye, guys.